So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a timer and CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is open up CapCut and go to create new. On here you can see some of these options for aspect ratios. Choose one of those and you'll see here I've added some stock video to show you guys. So if I want to add a timer, I will need to add a file that acts as a timer. So on here I can go timer Pixabay, or if you know some other website, it's going to be fine as well. This is just a stock timer. You can see there are a few of those. Once you click on one of these, you can just go ahead and click on download. You can see it's 9 seconds. And you can see here and download this stock timer. Once you've done that, I'm going to take you to this page on here. On here, you can just go ahead and click on upload. You'll see your file explorer and you add that timer to here and then just drag it underneath. Make sure that it has overlay. So that means once you select this, you can also go to the right click and just add it as an overlay to this. So when there's two videos, so it will look something like this. Just make sure that it's editable. So that means that you can go ahead and switch up some of these options and just make sure that it's an overlay and not just on here like this. So for that reason, you're gonna have a timer either here or maybe here for your video. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.